Today it's Saturday, April 5th, 2025, and the diff it's back in place. Looking good, looks nice and shiny. Alright, we haven't put oil, I haven't greased it up. These are the brake shoes, I haven't adjusted yet. I put the shafts in place. The guys they connect for me the handbrake. Mr. Joe, pull a little bit down the handbrake, the cable from there. Pull the cable there. Yeah? Not like that, just like this. On the main one, Yeah, like that. Do it. Lovely. Okay. Let's see also this side. Do it again. Nice. Amazing. Excellent. Now, before we put it, to don't F us up, don't trying from this one, I'm gonna expand it a little bit. Usually for the brake shoes, for the handbrake, first you're adjusting this to be nice, to don't touch at all, and then you get any of plate that has the cable. At least that's how I'm doing it. Some people they're gonna say no, do it a different way, but that's what it is. All right, that's how that looks like. Let's get the brake rotors and close it, and that's it. We need the oil, we need to grease it up. It's a short video, just an update video. Somebody said yesterday that 10 years to change the differential oil, it's too long. Yes, I'm with you. Yes, me personally, I'm gonna say every 5 years, but go try to explain that to the owners. They're gonna tell you, somebody gonna say, I had the oil, the differential oil for 20 years, and it's running fine. Yep. Okay. Fine. That's it. Now, what has next? It was nice chance to paint also the floor down to be nice. That's okay. It doesn't have a rust, after all. It's nice and clean. It's not rusty. Right, Mr. Joe?
Yes, sir.
You want to say something to fill up the video? No? It's gonna be a short video, 3 minutes only. No worries. No worries. No problem. That's it. After topping up with oil, we're gonna run it on the lift. Not on the lift. I don't want to be like this. You see where's the problem here? I don't want to be like this, the diff. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna run it slowly here around. Then we're gonna put by again to double check again the oil level because it's completely dry inside. Alright? To don't have any headache. And again, I have to read the instructions. Why? Because if you check the oil level like that, some oil gonna be in the tubes, right?
Yes.
So, but when you put it on the normal right height and comes straight, it's gonna be over, it's gonna be more. So it's gonna start escaping from the breather. Let me read the instructions how to fill up the oil. Not how to fill it up, how to check the oil level. We might top it up, that will gonna be more because it's gonna come, like I said, in the tubes, and then we're gonna double check it. We're gonna put it down and we're gonna double check it again. We're gonna be in neutral position, straight. Alright, that's it, that's all. That's all. The cold bluing that I ordered, it's gonna come between 10 and 14 of April. So we are talking about another 10 days. I don't have it. I don't want to spray paint it, to be honest. Need to grease it up, I said that already. Anything else? No, nothing. Brake rotors, adjustment for the brake shoes, brake rotors, and we are moving on. That's the plan. We are not moving the drive shaft or the wheels while the diff is like that. Alright? Lovely. Finish. That's it. Small update. Thank you very much. Over and out. Have a nice weekend.